What is happening? What is happening? So there are deals right under your nose that you didn't even know were there, and I'm going to tell you a little bit about that. Before I do, if you're looking for Lighthouse resources and information on how to step up your sales game, your business game, and learn tips and techniques on how to grow your business quickly, click that subscribe button and click that ringy bell notification to get notified every time we post new content that hopefully will guide you to growing your business. So deals underneath your nose that you didn't even know were there. Well, I'll tell you about a story. I was in Nashville and I was parked with a buddy right at a Best Buy electronics store, in the parking lot. And I said, it's so interesting. There's asphalt everywhere, right? Like literally everywhere. And there are cracks on this parking lot. There are lines that need to get striped. There needs to be seal coating. There's patchwork that needs to get done. There's just all these things that need to get done. And we're sitting here and nobody else has essentially done this work on this 300,000 square foot parking lot. And so, I was sitting there going, well, somebody needs to reach out. Why shouldn't it be us? Let's reach out. And my buddy said, well, where are you going to find the contact information to speak with the person responsible for this parking lot? And I said, really, really easy. Check this out. So we drove in the truck and we went right along the lines of, right along the curbing of the Best Buy shopping center. And then there was different units, different units that were for rent and some that were occupied, a hair place, a nail place, bookstore, and then there was this place that was for rent and it had a sign in the window and it said, for lease, call this number. And that number goes through to the property management company, the one responsible for renting those locations, but the one responsible for maintaining the property as well, the landscaping, the parking lot, the roof, the windows, maintaining that property. So you dial the number on the cell phone, dial the number and you say, hi there, Judd calling from Imperial Asphalt. I'm reaching out and I'm currently standing on the parking lot here at this address and I'm noticing that there's a lot of cracks, which can be a safety issue, a tripping hazard. A shopping cart might get stuck in that crack. A lady could have their baby fly out of the cart. I mean, that's a safety issue. And I'm in the pavement maintenance business, and what we do is we help people with their pavement assets to protect them, keep them safe, and also keeping their life their life moving along as long as we possibly can have it, so that we can essentially triple the life of the pavement asset by doing maintenance on it rather than leaving it in this unsafe state. Well, let me tell you, we grabbed interest from that person immediately, and I said, well, I'd love to get over a proposal that talks about the crack sealing, about the pothole repair, and with the seal coating and line striping to really take care of those pavement assets. And the person that we were speaking with said, absolutely, send that over. And so what's interesting is that we all are sitting on a parking lot from time to time. And if we're in the business, why the heck wouldn't we look for the number for the person responsible to make these decisions, right? A lot of people sit around waiting for the phone calls to come in. Instead, go out and do that prospecting and generate leads by making those phone calls, speaking with somebody. So I'm standing there on the parking lot, finish the conversation, now have the email address, the phone number, the person's first and last name, and now I can even connect with them on social, and I can send them a video of me on the parking lot saying, hey, Judd, here, we just spoke on the phone, and I'd love the opportunity to send you this proposal here in the next little bit, and I'd love to be able to just connect here in person and just show you that I'm here on the parking lot, really care about your pavement asset, keeping it safe, and looking forward to working with you and doing business. Now, obviously, that was a freestyle rough draft, but you can practice that on your own and really, get your video content to a level where it's impressing people. But that's a great way of discovering business that was right underneath your nose that you didn't know existed. At the end of the day, we all drive around, we all spend time at different big box store chains, we spend time at different restaurants, hotels, motels, and why not get the phone number or search for the phone number to be able to deliver solutions to people's problems related to their pavement assets, deliver value related to your business, and hopefully this helps you guys. Don't forget, subscribe if you're looking for more videos and movies, and if you can also click the comments box down below and just type in a question that you might have about, you know, prospecting or lead generation, any questions you might have. I'll be happy to answer. People usually like to leave comments and have us answer with hopefully some value that helps you grow your business. Thanks, and have a beautiful day.